Myanmar has been going through one of the most darkest and difficult time in our history. It has been 3 months already passed since the earthquake hit to Myanmar. We should be doing more of rebuilding process now, but we are still finding out the dead body. Day and night, we are working on to help our people, rescue our people. We have to continue, and a lot of months are ahead to do more of work. For the shelter, for the food, for the medical assistant, for the educational assistant, and for the rebuilding of our churches, and for the rebuilding of our people who lost their home. To Bible Society of Singapore and all the donors, we are so thankful to you for your help and for your prayer support and your financial support. May God bless you all, and may God bless Myanmar again.